Hey everyone, welcome back to Cryptomania. I'm Josh, bringing you today's breaking news in the world of XRP. And trust me, there's a lot happening as we wrap up the final week of April 2025. Let's kick things off with explosive news that's sending waves through the XRP community and the wider crypto market. Analysts are now projecting a potential surge for XRP that could see prices skyrocket by as much as 200%, with targets as high as $6.50 in play. That's right. If you're holding XRP or even just watching from the sidelines, you'll want to keep your eyes on the charts in the coming weeks. So what's driving this optimism? It all starts with some compelling technical analysis from seasoned market watchers. Crypto analyst Cryptark has highlighted a descending triangle formation for XRP on the charts, an indicator that historically tends to precede major breakout moves. Even more telling, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, which measures market momentum, has shifted upward after months of downturn, adding fuel to bullish expectations. According to Cryptark's, a well-timed entry at $2.10, with a careful stop loss at $200, could position traders for those anticipated gains, providing a risk-managed plan as we approach the big breakout date, May 10th, 2025. Now May 10th is shaping up to be a potential watershed moment. On that day, XRP is poised to either break above key resistance levels, starting at $2.49, and aiming for crucial marks at $300 and $3.39, or fall back towards support near $1.61 if the rally doesn't materialize. Remember, holding above $3 is being seen as a structural support level that could open the path to that eye-popping $6.50 price target. So mark your calendars. It's going to be a volatile and pivotal period. But that's not all. Big institutional moves are also throwing gasoline on the fire. CME Group, one of the world's largest derivatives exchanges, has officially announced they'll be launching regulated XRP futures on May 19th, pending final regulatory approval. The futures contracts will come in two sizes, 2,500 XRP and 50,000 XRP, and will be cash settled, allowing institutional and retail investors to gain exposure to XRP with the safety and capital efficiency of regulated products. This is a massive milestone and a strong signal of growing demand and acceptance for XRP among professional traders and institutions. This move from CME Group comes on the heels of similar announcements from Coinbase, which has already launched its own XRP futures offering. The reaction from the market has been overwhelming. Bullish bets on XRP have exploded, with CoinGlass data showing more than twice as many traders going long versus short in recent days. This level of optimism isn't seen in other leading altcoins at the moment, signaling that many believe XRP's next big move might just be around the corner. It's not just technical momentum and futures news making waves. Ripple Labs president Monica Long dropped another bombshell in an interview this week, ending years of speculation by confirming that Ripple does not plan to go public in 2025. With strong financials under their belt, Ripple feels no pressure to launch an IPO or seek outside funding at this time. Instead, the focus is firmly on building and scaling the XRP ecosystem and delivering value to users and institutions worldwide. This strategic clarity could encourage even greater community and institutional confidence. Backing all this up is the broader market context. Bitcoin is holding firm above $91,000. And when the number one crypto is on a bullish run, it often sets the pace for the rest of the altcoin market, including XRP. Analysts remain optimistic that the positive sentiment, coupled with technical signals and upcoming futures launches, could blend together to produce one of XRP's most significant runs in years. However, let's not forget, while the technical and institutional momentum is strong, XRP has still been trading in a relatively tight range, hovering below the $2.30 level for over a month, even as other cryptocurrencies have seen bigger price movements. This sets the stage for potentially explosive action when and if those resistance levels finally break. Before we wrap up, here are a few things to watch in the weeks ahead. Will XRP break through the key $2.49, $300, and $3.39 resistance levels and head for the $6.50 price target? Will the May 10th breakout date fulfill analysts' bullish projections? How will the launch of XRP futures on CME and the enthusiasm from Coinbase impact institutional adoption and price action? And what further product updates or announcements might Ripple Labs have up their sleeves as they double down on ecosystem growth? That's it for today's update. If you found this news valuable, Smash that like button, subscribe to Cryptomania, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a breaking XRP development. Share this video with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Join the conversation in the comments below, and let us know where you think XRP is headed next. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Josh, and I'll catch you in the next one, right here on Cryptomania.